Want?
Huh?
Yes?
Huh?
What do you want? Tell me. Tell me.
Huh?
What do you want?
Huh?
Oh, mom. You say mom? What?
I want to take one.
Huh? You wanna give paper? Who do you wanna give paper?
Name, pen,
Stephanie.
D1, pen, paper.
Ah,
D1.
give one daw for Stephanie.
Paper,
Give
only.
one paper for Stephanie.
Yeah,
Only Stephanie. Okay.
Deep pen, deep baby pen, paper.
Oh, Stephanie.
Deep.
Give one paper daw.
Value.
Stephanie, very good daw siya.
D1.
Very good talaga yan, Jasa.
D1.
Jasa is very good.
D1.
Okay, you'll give one paper, ha?
Pen,
Okay,
pen,
I got it.
Pen, paper. D1.
Okay.
D1 pen, paper. Deep, one. Deep, one. Paper, pen,
Stephanie.
and the paper.
That's right.
Deep one.
Yeah.
Deep one.
Stephanie.
Deep one. Deep one. Pen paper.
Okay.
Deep one.
Yeah. Okay na
Pen
po. Stephanie.
Deep one. Deep.
Okay?
Deep.
Alright. Put
Deep.
down. Put down.
Deep pen. Deep.
Ha? Okay. Keep pala
Oh.
hold na lang. Sige, hold. Here we go. We're going down now.
Oh, deep.
Ano ba talaga? Let's skip. Kasi we're going to drive. O, dali. Ayan. There you are.
Not muddy.
Okay na, ready? Let's go. Pick up Daddy. Pick up Daddy and Daddy. So, did you see Brea today? Huh? And Leah? Did you see them? You had fun today again? You had music? Or later now?
Walk.
Let's go to Robinson, okay?
On the event.
Event. Dragon. Practice. Nag-practice sila mag-dance in Robinson.
On the what?
We get to watch them, okay? Don't be excited too much, okay? Okay, we're gonna watch. Daddy waiting for you. Daddy's in the house waiting for you. Yes. Put down your bag. Oh, you're taking care of your bag, huh?
Ate Hito.
Ate Hito. No, Ate Hito. Tomorrow, Ate Hito will come back again. Tomorrow again. Alright?
Water?
It's inside your bag. The water is in your bag. Do you know what dragon today? Huh? The dragon? Huh? They're going to practice in Robinson.
Dad?
Yes. Only mommy, Jasa. You want Kuya Levi come? You want Kuya Levi come?
Mommy.
Huh? I'm driving. Okay. You want me to do something for you? I need to park.
No,
okay?
Mommy too.
Mommy's? Come on, say it. Mommy?
No, Mommy too.
Ah, okay. Mommy, you want me to get it for you? Okay, let me park the car. Wait lang. Kasi... wait lang. I need to park here.
Mommy too.
Which one? Ah, this one closed.
Diba?
Hold muna, baba. Hold. And then later, I'm gonna put it in your bag. Okay? When you get in the house, then I'm gonna put it in your bag. Okay pa? Gonna bring that? Alright.
Diba?
Oh, look at the big dog barking outside.
Diba?
Yeah.
Diba?
I'm gonna put.
Diba? Mommy? Diba?
Oh. Yeah, hold it first. When you get in the house, I'll put it in your bag. Okay pa?
Where?
There. When you get home, Mommy will put it in your bag because I'm driving. Oo. I parked ko ang car. Okay, I'm gonna park the car. Wait, yeah. it's closed already.
What people?
It's in there. It's in your bag. Happy?
No.
Yes.
Oh, Pampa?
Oh, Robinson Baba.
Pampa.
Oh, M Plaza, huh? The Dragon is in the plaza. Ay, Robinson. The Dragon is in Robinson. Mababangga ako kasi kuya. Oh my God, hindi naman. Bigla na lang bumaba sa pathway. OMG. Buti na lang nakastop tayo. Nervous ako. Robinson Baba. The Dragon is in Robinson.
No, Monday. Not to Monday.
Yeah, that's right. There's no school today. It's done already. See you again tomorrow. Tomorrow is Wednesday. Tomorrow is
Monday.
That's right, Wednesday.
No, Monday. And then.
Tomorrow again. Today, no school. Finish.
Tamba. And then.
That's right. Come back again tomorrow. Okay? Tomorrow, Wednesday. Tomorrow.